Previously on Power. Just kidding. We're about to see the results of my 3-strand twist out, so keep watching. Hey, alright, so I am so tired, but natural hair is like a box of chocolates and you never know what you're gonna get. So usually when I do any type of twist out, braid out, perm rod, anything, I'll wake up like 2 hours before I gotta be somewhere just in case I gotta abort mission and do a plan A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you haven't seen my last video, I'm gonna put the link in the description below of how I did my 3-strand twist out. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see the results. See what damage I got going on. All right, so this is definitely dry. Oh, I'm scared to put oil in my hair because my hair does not tolerate oil very well. So we're just gonna wing it. No, we're not. I lied. I'm gonna take the smallest amount of oil that I can. Some Pro style vitamin E oil. It's probably not the right oil, but I just don't want any freeze. I'll put the smallest amount that I can. I'm just gonna rub that all over. All right. And to me, the takedown is just as important as the put on. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm gonna take my time. I probably should clip a lot of this away, but okay, that don't look that bad. Finally got a success. Maybe I should clip some of this out of the way. I don't know. Recommend clipping these up. I just don't want to.
We get sap on the truck. We get sap on the truck.
This is the first side down. Okay. Don't get too excited yet, Liz, because you still got to separate them, so don't get too excited. All right, I'm going to take this other side down quickly, and then we're going to come and get some volume in the hair. is taken out. Got a lot of definition. Looks really good. Got some frizz. Alright. But wait. There's more. Alright, so I gotta go back through. I'm gonna clip this part up. If I can grab the clip. And I'm gonna put a little bit more of this improv oil on my hands. And I'm going to separate these even further. I'm scared. The way I separate is I pull the curl all the way down. I probably should have clipped this up too. And you want to separate it where it naturally wants to separate.
We get sap on the track. We get sap on the track.
Separated, unseparated. Go through with my pick. This is my final look. I have gone through, ignore that, pop that out. I am in dire need of a cut, but didn't turn out that bad. I like it. It should last me for a few days to be a cute updo style. So, thank you for watching. If you liked my video, like and subscribe. I'm going to put the link in the description for my 3-strand tutorial if you missed it. Because if you missed it, I don't even know why you're here. I don't know why you're here. You can't see my glory but don't know my story. So go back and watch that video if you haven't. But I appreciate y'all, and I'm naturally Curlysa, and I'll see y'all on the next video.